To set up Remote Connect on your Apple Watch, first ensure that your vehicle is equipped with Remote Connect and that you are registered for Toyota Connected Services via your Toyota owner's account. Lastly, check that the Remote Connect app is installed in your iPhone, it's up to date, and that you are signed in. Now, on your iPhone, open the Watch app and then select My Watch tab. Scroll down to find Remote Connect and then install. Once the app has synced to the Apple Watch, you may open it on the watch. Select OK to continue, and then enter the same Remote Connect PIN that you use on the iPhone app. Choose to either enable or disable the PIN requirement and voice command functionality, and then accept the terms and conditions. With that, you're all set. Remote Connect is now up and running on your Apple Watch. To set up Remote Connect on your Android smartwatch, first ensure that your vehicle is equipped with Remote Connect and that you are registered for Toyota Connected Services via your Toyota owner's account. Lastly, check that the Remote Connect app is installed on the phone and it's up to date, and that you are signed in. Now, on the watch, press the power button to wake the device if needed. Within the list of apps, scroll down and select Play Store. Within the Play Store, scroll again to find the apps in your phone section. Find Remote Connect in this list, and then simply tap its download arrow icon to install it to the watch. You're all set. Remote Connect is now up and running on your Android smartwatch.